Sleep required. Courtesy of mom.
सिर्फ सूट को ऑर्गेनाइज कर दो
सब कुछ ले लिया मतलब सिर्फ बस पैक कर दिया वो
डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड है वो अभी टाइम थैंक यू सर थैंक यू
अली
दूरम by this and then all go behind.
One, two.
Thank you.
What's up? We stop at my dad's friend's house, and he's like, I really like mangoes. I keep a lot of mangoes in a lot of boxes, and a lot of boxes in my room. And I'm like, yeah, sure, cool. Then one of his helpers or housekeepers comes and brings us all mango, like a mango drink blended, like a smoothie. And I was like, okay, yeah, cool, thanks. We give the glasses back. A few minutes later, the same helper comes back with a tray of sliced mangoes. And I'm like, wow, yeah, like, this guy really likes mangoes. I mean, no kidding. We eat the mangoes, we give it back. A few minutes later, I see the housekeeper in the back walk from one room into the kitchen holding more mangoes in his hand. And I look at my sister and we just laugh. And I'm like, this is like a cartoon or something. This is hilarious.
Okay, that is a New York-based investment firm.
Yeah, Jeff Bezos.
Yeah. This was like empty land. Okay, here it was when I was working. Nothing was there. This area. When I was here.
Cyber City. Broadway, the brewery.
I say I have 5 years, I have 2 years experience. They will say, okay, please come, join. This is the Durgam Chili. So I used to come here and walk and sit there. In the 2000 year, it was nothing. It's a Qualcomm.
You know those goldfish?
Electronic Arts.
Oh,
We work. ITC Corner is Indian, but Qualcomm, Electronic Arts, all are American companies.
Tech nerds. Laptop City. IKEA.
She would be running it here.
I visited this.
I got a tour at T-Hub
This
sometime.
is now Microsoft companies. Are you looking at this?
Yeah, synchronous.
Is this international house?
Yeah.
My home, Busha. A life above.
Left side Align, Grid Dynamics, Nation Benefits, Bosch.
Wow. Sattva knowledge book.
And you have heard about Wells Fargo Bank, right? That is a Wells Fargo. They pay US salary. They're US employees in the same year.
Oh, okay.
$100,000 here. That's too much.
We need State Farm to go international.
No.
Then I can do that here.
Now you find JP Morgan Chase.
Oh yeah. We're in the cool shop.
You don't need Wi-Fi to do Apple Pay. I didn't have Wi-Fi. They took my Apple Pay at Starbucks. Actually,
బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ ఏదో చేసేసి వచ్చినప్పుడు మళ్ళీ వస్తాయి కదా ఎల్లుండి
Rained yesterday, so kind of gray, overcast today. Really low rain, the temperatures. It's pretty comfortable just walking out. I say that as I'm already starting to feel the heat in my skin, like perspirating. But we got a restaurant over here.
25 cents.
Yeah, it's like vending machine $2.
Go in the opposite direction.
Left.
Left or right?
Left. You go right, it's grammar.
Come over it. Why?
There's a rock on top of a rock. On top of another rock.
Video. Cool.
Mas benar ya.
Video.
Hello Harish, congratulations on your marriage. So this area,
Up.
your school is in this area. You went to school here, what grades?
నేనా థర్డ్ గ్రేడ్ ఉన్నాడు ఆయన and imagine like I am one guy 9th grade walking in this forest at this time. I did once, and that's where my encounter with bear happened, teddy bear.
What happened?
I mean it's not teddy bear, but it's a big bear. He was drinking the water. So I figured it out, and I was carrying stones and one big stick within my hand to defend myself. So what I did is I have to distract that guy. He didn't see me, but I saw him with the sound. Then I have to go ahead, and he was drinking there. So how do I escape? I took the stone and threw the far ahead. So with noise comes there, this guy run this side. That is the expectation. And exactly it worked like that. If I throw here, he will go ahead, so he will catch me again. So, and if I hit him, he will get mad and attack me directly now itself. So distraction tactics. I hit the stone there in the water, and with that noise, he just ran this way. And I ran ahead. And there was no communication, right? I needed some money. That's why I came. And my mom in the morning went to school to give the money. So she went to school and they said there is no, your son already left. So she stayed in the school hostel that night. I stayed at home. Next day I stayed, she came. No communication. The only mode of communication was we used to write the letters. I used to go like 4 months at a stretch. No talk, no phone, nothing, right? Only letter writing. And now we in this Insta world, we can't stay without phone for 30 seconds. And my encounter with that monkeys was here in this area. There is always water there. Everybody, animals come and drink water that side. They made road very nicely. Divya, when we came last time, it was not like this. It was only half. They expanded it now. They widened. బాగా చేసిండు రోడ్డు.
రోడ్లు బాగానే చేసింది సార్ కేసీఆర్.
రోడ్లు నీళ్ళు మంచిగా చేసిండు. ఆయన కేసీఆర్ తప్పు చేసిన అక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే అహంకారం ఎక్కువ.